Emma, this is a wonderful dinner party. Everyone is having such a good time. Just listen to all the laughter.
I know. It makes me so happy. It has been a long time since we had all our favorite people together in one room. My heart feels very full tonight.
Mine too. It is moments like this that you really treasure. It feels very special. It is more than just a dinner. It is a celebration of friendship.
That is such a beautiful way to put it. A celebration of friendship. You are absolutely right.
It just feels so nice to be surrounded by so much warmth and positive energy. I feel very lucky to have these people in our lives.
I feel the exact same way. You know, you have just given me an idea.
An idea? What is it?
I think we should tell them that. We should tell our friends how much we appreciate them. I think we should make a toast.
A toast? You mean stand up and give a little speech? Oh, I do not know, Emma. I am not very good at public speaking. I get very nervous.
I know you do, but it does not have to be a long, formal speech. It can just be a few simple words from the heart. I think it would be a really meaningful moment.
I agree that it would be a lovely gesture. But what would I say? I would get all nervous and my mind would go completely blank. I would probably just say something silly.
You would not say something silly. You are a very thoughtful person. But I have a solution to make it less scary for you. We can do it together.
Together? How would that work? Does a toast have two speakers?
It can. There are no strict rules for a small, informal dinner party with friends. We can make our own rules. We can make a joint toast as the hosts of the party.
A joint toast. I like the sound of that. It feels much less intimidating if I know you are standing there with me. It gives me more confidence.
Of course, we are a team. So let's make a quick, secret plan. What should we say?
I think you should do most of the talking. You are much better with words than I am.
We will share the talking equally. How about this? You can start. You can be the one to get everyone's attention. That is a very important job.
Okay, I can do that. I can stand up and gently tap my glass with a spoon. And then what should I say?
You can just say something simple like, "Excuse me, everyone. Could I have your attention for a moment, please?" And then you can say, "Emma and I would just like to say a few words." Then you can look at me, and I will start my part.
That sounds like a good plan. I can definitely handle the introduction. So what will your part be?
My part will be to thank everyone for coming. I will say how happy we are to have them in our home and how much we value their friendship. I will keep it very short and sweet.
That sounds perfect. It is warm and welcoming. And then what happens?
Then I will hand it back over to you for the final part. I will say something like, "And now, David would like to add something." And then you can say the final words and propose the actual toast.
Me? I have to do the most important part? What should my final words be?
You can just say something simple about looking forward to more good times in the future. And then you just raise your glass and say, "Here's to friends." We can practice it now very quietly.
Okay, I think I am ready. I feel much better now that we have a clear plan. It feels more like a performance than a scary speech.
Exactly. Let's do it now. While there is a quiet moment in the conversation, are you ready to get their attention?
I am ready. Excuse me, everyone. Sorry to interrupt. If I could have your attention for just a moment, please. Emma and I would just like to say a few words.
Thank you all so much for being here with us tonight. It means so much to us to have all of our wonderful friends gathered around our table. David and I were just saying how incredibly lucky we feel to have each and every one of you in our lives.
She is right. Your friendship brings so much joy and laughter to our lives, and we are so grateful for that.
We wanted to host this dinner just to say thank you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your kindness. And thank you for being the amazing people that you are. It is a real honor to share this evening with you. And now, David would like to add something.
I just wanted to say that looking around this table tonight, I feel so happy and optimistic. We have all shared so many wonderful memories together in the past.
We certainly have.
And my hope for the future is that we will share many, many more. I am looking forward to many more evenings just like this one, full of good food, good conversation, and great company.
I agree with that.
So, if you could all please raise your glasses with us, I would like to propose a toast.
Here we go.
Here's to good friends. You are the family we choose.
To good friends.
And here's to good food, which brings us all together. And finally, here's to many more good times in the future. To us, cheers!
Cheers, everyone.
Phew, I am so glad that is over. My heart was beating so fast.
You were absolutely brilliant. You were not nervous at all. Your words were perfect.
Thank you. Your part was wonderful too. It was so warm and sincere. I think people really appreciated it. I can see our friend Jane is even crying a little bit.
They're happy tears, I hope. It feels good to express your feelings, doesn't it? It connects everyone in the room.
It really does. I am actually really glad we did that. It was a beautiful moment. Thank you for the idea.
You see, it was not so scary after all, and doing it together made it much easier. We are a good team.
We are the best team. That was a lovely toast, Emma. It was the perfect addition to a perfect evening.
Our friends all seem to be talking about it now. They are all saying how nice it was.
I am glad they enjoyed it. It has made the atmosphere even warmer and friendlier, I think.
I agree. Now, I think it is probably time to bring out the dessert. Are you ready for the final course of our celebration of friendship?
I am definitely ready for dessert. After that public speaking performance, I think I have earned a large slice of your famous chocolate cake.